Corruption is not only a problem faced by the government or powerful people, but it can also start from small dishonest action in our daily lives.
If it's ignored, corruption can damage trust, justice, and the future of our country.
Through this interview, we want to share opinions and perspective about what corruption means.
How it affects our daily life and the role of students and young people in fighting corruption.
Let's watch and learn together because fighting corruption starts from ourselves. Kakak, hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Arlene.
Can I ask you about corruptions?
Of course, yeah.
What does corruption mean to you?
To me, corruption is abusing power or trust for personal benefit. It can be taking money that doesn't belong to us or dishonest in responsibilities. Even small dishonest action can be considered as corruption.
Do you think corruption affects our daily life?
Of course, corruption affects our daily life because public money is often misused. Facilities in schools, hospitals, and public service become inadequate because of corruption.
Okay, thank you. Corruption is often seen as a crime committed only by powerful people, such as politicians or government officials. However, in reality, corruption can start from a small, dishonest in everyday life, like cheating, bribery, or abusing trust. This issue is very dangerous because corruption damages trust, justice, and the future of our society. When corruption becomes common, people start to think dishonesty is normal. Therefore, corruption must be fought by everyone, not only the government, but also by students and the younger generation. As young people, we have an important role in building an honest and fair society. Corruption has serious consequences for society. One of the biggest impacts for corruption is the misuse for public funds, money that should be used to improve education, healthcare, and infrastructure is taken for public interests. As a result, many public services don't work properly. Schools lack proper facilities, hospitals become overcrowded, and roads are damaged. In addition, corruption increases inequality. Only a small group of people benefits, while the majority suffer from poor public services. This situation makes people lose trust in the government and public services. If corruption continues, it will destroy moral values in society. People may start believing that dishonesty is acceptable, and this mindset will be passed to the next generation. Corruption causes many negative impacts, such as poor public services, unfair distribution of resources, and decreasing public trust. Many people still ignoring small acts of corruption, which makes the problem harder to eliminate. Therefore, we must start fighting corruption from ourselves.
We can do this by being honest, responsibility, and brave to say no to corruption even in small situations. Students must build integrity, avoid cheating, and respect rules. By doing this simple action, we can become a generation that brings positive change for our country.
Corruption is not the only responsibility of the government. It is our responsibility as the younger generation. Say no to corruption for a better future!